Hi. It's time to learn how to talk about my family.
I have. This is my. He is. She is. They are.
Again. I have. This is my. He is. She is. They are. Examples. This is my father. He is tall. This is my mother. She is short. I have one brother. He is 2 years old. This is my family. I have a big family. This is my grandmother. This is my grandfather. They are old.
This is my family. I have a small family. This is my dad. He is strong. This is my mom. She is kind. This is my sister. She is funny. Conversations.
Can you tell me about your family?
Yes. I have a big family.
Do you have siblings?
Yes. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. They are older than me.
Can you tell me about your dad?
He is big.
Can you tell me about your mom?
She is nice.
Can you tell me about your family?
Yes. I have a small family.
Do you have siblings?
Yes. I have one sister.
Can you tell me about your sister?
Yes. She is smart. Your turn. Good job. Bye.